Very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back for the online session of English classes. Today, we will continue our English grammar class. My dear children, today we will going to start a new topic, that is naming words, nouns. Okay, so let's have a look. Everything in the world has a name. All names or naming words are nouns. So what are nouns? All names or naming words. A noun names a person, place, animal or thing. For example, Rita and her cat are playing with ball in the garden. So here Rita is a name of a person, cat is a name, it's an animal, ball it's a thing, and garden it's a place. A name can be common or special. The special name of a noun is called a proper noun. So proper noun means it must have some special names. Like Rita. It's a special name of a girl and it's a proper noun. And cat, ball, garden, these all are common. So these are common nouns. Okay. The special names, that is the proper nouns, always start with capital letters. You can see here, Rita is a special name of a girl. It's a proper noun. So special name, proper nouns, it always starts with a capital letters. So I have written over here, Rita, R is in capital letter. Okay. Nouns, common and proper. All nouns have a common name, and also that some nouns have a special name. Let's see some examples. This is a boy. This is a dog. This is a fort. This is a cycle. So here, boy, dog, fort, cycle. These all are what? Common nouns. They don't have right now some special names. Okay, these all are common nouns. Let's give special name to these common nouns. Okay, common nouns here are boy, dog, fort, cycle. So these are all common nouns. So we have to now give special name to these common nouns. Like for a boy, we named over here, this is Rahul. For a dog, this is Pluto. For a fort, this is a red fort. For a cycle, so this is an Atlas cycle. So now this common noun converted into special name means proper noun, and we know that proper noun always begins with a capital letter. So here in the name of Rahul, Rahul is a proper noun, so I have begun with a capital letter. Pluto also, it's a name of a dog and it's a proper noun, and I have begun with a capital letter. Like this way, red fort and Atlas cycle. So these all are now proper nouns. Special names given to animal, person, place or things are called proper nouns. Proper nouns means that must be having some special names for animal, person, place or things. A proper noun always begin with capital letters. This have to be remember. All proper nouns you have to begin with capital letters. Okay. Then Remember, name of cities, days, months, festivals, holidays, books, etc. are proper nouns. So here, names of cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, months like January, February, March, April, festivals like Durga Puja, Diwali, holidays and books. These are all proper nouns, and names of these proper nouns you have to start with capital letters. Then the general name of a person, place, animal or thing is a common noun. Let's see some examples. He is a clown. Here we are talking about clown. So clown is a general name for the person. Next, they live in a city. Here we are talking about a city. So city is a general name for the place. Next, it is his dog. So here we are talking about dog. So dog is a general name for the animal. Special names given to people, places, pets, days, months, etc. are proper nouns. For example, the Red Fort is situated in New Delhi. So here, Red Fort is a proper noun and New Delhi is also a proper noun. And proper noun, you have to start with capital letters. Okay. Now, my dear children, let's see some examples of common noun. So here for person, pilot, teacher, girl, baby. Here pilot means all pilots, teacher means all the teachers, girl, all classes of girls, baby means all babies. Okay, for place like airport, school, beach. For animals like elephant, dolphin, dog, cow. Okay, all things like chocolate, book, garden. So these are all the examples of common noun. This is common to everyone. Here, these common nouns, they don't have right now any special names. Okay, so these are the examples of common nouns. And this is your grammar book. We are studying chapter number 4, naming words, nouns. The names of people, places, animals and things are called naming words or nouns. So the first question is, look at the pictures and say whether they are persons, places, animals or things. You have to look these pictures and you have to identify whether it is person, whether it is place, whether it is animal or whether it is a thing. So first one is, we can able to see it's a picture of a place. So you have to write here place. Okay, now next one, it's a picture of an animal. You have to write over here animal. Now next, it's a picture of a dog, so it's also an animal, so you have to write here animal. Then it is a bag, so it's a thing, so you have to write here thing. So it's a girl, so we have to write here person. Okay, like this way you have to identify and you have to write over here. Now next, special names, proper nouns. Names of people, places, rivers, streets, days and months begin with a capital letter. They are called proper nouns. Okay. The question is, write a name for each of the following begin with a capital letter. So you have to write your answer and you have to begin your answer with a capital letter. Okay, so first one is your name. So you have to write our name of here. Second, your father's name. Your father's name you have to write over here. Third, your mother's name you have to write over here. Fourth, the name of your school. What is the name of your school? Jyoti Higher Secondary English Medium School. Okay, so I have to write like this. Your friend's name, your best friend's name you have to write over here. The name of your street you have to write here. The name of your country. What is the name of your country? Yes, the name of our country is India. So you have to write here India. Then the first day of the week you have to write over here. Like this way you have to complete it. Okay, this you have to do it only in your grammar book. Now next, we use capital letter to begin the name of a person or a place. We also use capital letters to begin the names of festivals, days of the week, and months of the year. The question is, the words underlined are special names. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters to begin the special names. Here, the words which are all underlined over here, these are all special names, means these are all proper nouns. So we know that special names means proper noun always begins with a capital letter. So you have to rectify it and write it down again. You have to rewrite this sentence properly. Like first one is, my name is Neha. So how you have to write over here? Here Neha, we know that it's a proper noun and it is written over here in small letter, and this one you have to rectify it. You have to make it in capital letters. So how you have to write over here? My name is Neha. Full stop. Okay. Then next one, he lives in Mumbai. So Mumbai, it's a name of a place, so it's also a proper noun, and you have to rectify the spelling of Mumbai, and you have to begin M in capital letter. Okay, he lives in Mumbai means you have to write over here. He lives in Mumbai. M will be in capital letter. Mumbai. Okay. Next, we buy Colgate toothpaste. So you have to write over here like this. We buy Colgate toothpaste. Toothpaste. Okay. Next, Pintu goes to Blue Bell School. Here, Pintu, P will be in capital letter. Blue, B will be in capital letter. Here also bells, B will be in capital letter and S will be in capital letter. I like the story of Little Red Riding Hood. So here in the word little, L will be in capital letter. In the word red, R will be in capital letter. In the word riding, R will be in capital letter. In the word hood, H will be in capital letter. My birthday is in August. So in the word August, A you have to write in capital letter. Okay. Now number 7. Mary goes to church on Sundays. Here in the word Mary, M will be in capital letter. Sundays, S will be in capital letter. Like this way you have to complete this one. Now next, common nouns. The names of people, places, animals and things of the same kind or class are called common nouns. So here's the question is, where do you see the following? Put the words in the right columns. Here some options are given over here like people, flowers, TV, lions, gas stove, swing, plants, refrigerator, elephants, children, tigers, benches, bed, peacocks, books. Okay, you have to choose these words and you have to write in their proper places. This one you have to do of your own. This you have to do in your English grammar book only. Like people, we can find people in the park. You have to write here. Flowers, we can see flowers also in the park. Like TV, we can see TV in our house. Lions, we can see it in the zoo. Like this way, you have to write. You have to choose these words and you have to write in their proper place. So, this one for your homework. This you have to do of your own. Okay. So, my dear children, I hope you all have understood what is proper noun and what is common nouns. So, if you are going through the whole video once again, you can able to understand very well. So that's it for today. Thank you.